Hi everyone, welcome to the 3 Minute Math YouTube channel where we go over the solutions to contest math problems in 3 minutes or less. Our next problem is from the 2000 AMC 8, question number 22. A cube has edge length 2. Suppose that we glue a cube of edge length 1 on top of the big cube so that one of its faces rests entirely on top of the face of the larger cube. The percent decrease in surface area, sides, top, and bottom from the original cube to the new solid form is closest to. So to solve this problem, we take the initial, which is the initial surface area, which is 1 by 1, and we have 6 of those faces for the smaller cube, and the other one is 2 by 2, and we have 6 of those faces for larger cube. This would be 6, and this would be 24, so the original surface area is 30. The new surface area is found by taking this side, this side, this side, the side behind this, and the side to the side here, which is 5. And this area here, this top face, which is just 4 minus the surface area of one of these faces, plus the area of this surface area times 5. This would mean that the total surface area would be 25 plus 3, which is 28. That means that the percent decrease would be 2 out of 30, and multiplying by 100 over 30 to find percent, would give us 6 2/3, which is rests entirely on top of the face of sides, top, and bottom from the original cube to the new solid form is closest to. Spaces 5 faces plus 4 minus 1 plus 4 times 25 plus 3 is 28. So 1 times 6, 30. That means our answer is A.